It's Carrie from WeTravel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a refund. To refund one of your participants, log into your WeTravel account and navigate to the My Trips section. From here, you can either search or scroll down to the trip in which you need to refund someone for. Once you find the trip you're looking for, click the Manage Trip button in green, and you'll be taken to your trip dashboard. Scroll down and find the participant in who you need to refund, and click on the three dots next to their name. Click the Issue Refund button and you'll get two different options. One, you can decide to send a full refund, which will automatically cancel this participant from your trip. On the other hand, if you'd like to issue a partial refund, you can do so in any amount. Sometimes you'll get a pop-up that looks something like this when clicking partial refund. Don't be alarmed, these are just the different payments this traveler has made, so you can refund from any of these specific payments. You'll still be prompted to type in any amount of your choice once you click on the payment you're refunding them from. And remember, refunds through WeTravel are free. And we reimburse you for all related fees. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for using WeTravel.